and I'll see you next week.
Yikes.
Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the sports video, and it's a beautiful day, so let's head outside.
Alright guys, so I walked for about 30 minutes to get to this trail, and it's going to take me another 30 to complete the trail. So I thought, why not record it? But, of course, not with the phone, with a GoPro. Let's do it. Devoured by mosquitoes, so I should probably keep going for a bit and get to a safer place. I'm pretty out of breath after that. So as I said, I was going to talk about sports. As you can obviously tell, one of the sports that I do is running. But another one, well, the main sport that I do is triathlon. Tri meaning three. So there's three sports in the sport, if that makes sense. It's swimming, biking, and then finally running. To be honest, I'm probably annoying the people around me so much. This is the 7th take, and hopefully I'm officially done, but you know, I'm going until I have no battery left, so, you know, to make this the right one, I will see on the video right after this, but hopefully this has been the right take. Let's go! Alright guys, so I'm back from the swim, and even though it only lasted 20 minutes, the temperatures are really low, and I recommend that to no one, and I don't think any normal person would do that. Not something I want to do again, swimming at 7:30 p.m. So next time, I will go earlier, or I will go in a swimming pool, because it is much safer and just nicer, you know?
Now enjoy the bloopers. Hey everybody.
Alright guys, so I've walked for about 30 minutes to get to this trail, and cars just keep on coming and coming, so I can't finish this scene. Thank you, whoever this is. So I thought, why not record it? But not with the phone, of course, with the GoPro. So you got... First take and no cars. Yes, let's go!
First take and no cars. Yes, let's go!
Alright, second take. Good.
Alright, second take. Good.
Alright, third take. This is it. Hopefully it's a wrap. I don't have to redo this. Let's go! We're done.
Alright, third take. This is it. Hopefully it's a wrap. I don't have to redo this. Let's go! We're done.
Alright, fourth take, and I definitely messed this one up. Yep, hopefully this is the right one, and I am done with this. That's it, that's a wrap.
That's it. That's a wrap. Yes!
That's all for the video. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!